Hello, my name is Tom. I will guide you through this lesson. Sometimes visiting a doctor can feel stressful, but I will show you the English you need step by step.
Hi, I'm Anna. I will join Tom in teaching today. Together, we will act out real-life situations so you can learn how to speak English at the clinic.
In this lesson, we will cover 5 important topics: making an appointment, checking in, describing symptoms, the examination, getting medicine.
Each topic will help you practice useful sentences, questions, and answers. We will also add emotions like or laughing, so you can hear how people really speak.
Let's begin with the first topic, making an appointment.
Today, I don't feel well. I need to call the clinic and make an appointment.
I will play the receptionist. Listen carefully to the sentences. They are useful when you call a doctor's office. Hello, is this City Health Clinic?
Hello, is this City Health Clinic?
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
Hi, my name is Tom Davis. I don't feel well today.
I'm sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
I understand. Can you come to the clinic today?
Yes, I can come today. What time is good?
We have a time at 3 o'clock. Is that okay?
Yes, 3 o'clock is fine for me.
Great. Can I have your full name, please?
Yes, my name is Tom Davis.
Thank you. And can I have your phone number too?
Sure, it is 555-0192.
Thank you, Tom. Is this your first visit here?
Yes, this is my first time at this clinic.
Okay. Please bring your ID card with you.
Okay, I will bring my ID card.
Also, please come 15 minutes early.
Okay, I can come at 2:45.
Perfect. Do you have insurance, Tom?
Yes, I have insurance. Should I bring the card too?
Yes, please. Bring your insurance card as well.
Okay, I will bring both cards.
Great. So we will see you at 3 o'clock today.
Yes, thank you very much.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you. See you this afternoon.
See you soon, Tom. Goodbye.
Goodbye. I feel a little worried, but I'm glad I called. The receptionist was very kind.
Now I arrive at the clinic. I need to check in at the front desk.
I will play the receptionist again. Listen to the sentences. They are useful when you arrive for your appointment.
Hello, I have an appointment at 3 o'clock.
Hi, what is your name, please?
My name is Tom Davis.
Thank you. Can I see your ID card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Can I see your insurance card too?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you, Tom. Please take a seat. The doctor can see you soon.
Okay, thank you. Where can I sit?
You can sit over there, next to the window.
Okay, thank you.
Here is a form. Can you fill it out, please?
Sure. What information do I write here?
Please write your name, age, and your symptoms.
Okay, I can do that.
I write my name and my age. Now I write my symptoms. I have a headache and a sore throat. I also feel very tired today. Here is the form. I finished it.
Thank you, Tom. The nurse will call your name soon.
Okay, I will wait here.
Now the nurse comes to call Tom.
Tom Davis? Yes, that's me.
Hi, Tom. Please come with me.
Okay, thank you.
First, I need to check your temperature.
Okay, sure.
Your temperature is a little high today.
Oh, is that bad?
It's not too bad, but the doctor should check you.
Okay, I understand.
Now, can you tell me your symptoms?
Yes, I have a headache, a sore throat, and I feel tired.
How many days do you feel like this?
I feel like this for 2 days now.
Okay, thank you. The doctor can see you now.
Okay, thank you very much.
Do you have any questions before you see the doctor?
Yes, will this visit take a long time?
No, usually it takes about 20 minutes.
Okay, that's good to know.
The doctor is very thorough, but also very quick.
That sounds great. Thank you for telling me.
You can go to room number 3.
Room number 3. Thank you.
The doctor will be there in a few minutes.
Okay, I will wait in the room. Walk slowly, looking around. The room is very clean and quiet. I see posters on the wall about healthy habits. One poster says, "Wash your hands often." That makes me feel calm. Soft smile.
Now the doctor will come in. Knock on the door. Hello, may I come in?
Yes, please come in. Nervous but polite tone.
Now I am in the doctor's room. I feel nervous, but I need to explain my symptoms clearly.
I will play Dr. Chen. Listen carefully. These are useful sentences when you talk to a doctor. Hello, Tom. My name is Dr. Chen.
Hello, Dr. Chen. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How do you feel today?
I don't feel very well.
I have a headache and a sore throat.
I'm sorry to hear that. When did this start?
It started 2 days ago.
Okay. Can you describe your headache? Is it strong or light?
It is a strong headache. It hurts all day.
I understand. Do you have a fever too?
Yes, I think so. I feel very hot sometimes.
The nurse checked your temperature. It is a little high.
Oh, I didn't know it was that high.
It's not too high, but we should watch it.
Okay, that makes sense.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, a small cough. Not too bad.
Do you feel pain when you swallow?
Yes, my throat hurts when I eat or drink.
I see. Can you show me your throat, please?
Yes, of course.
Your throat is a little red. That can cause the pain.
Oh, I see. Is that serious?
No, it's not too serious, but we should check more.
Okay, thank you for explaining.
Do you feel tired often these days?
Yes, very tired. I sleep, but I still feel tired.
How is your appetite? Do you eat normally?
Not really. I don't feel hungry these days.
I understand. Do you have any pain in your body?
Yes, my body feels a little sore, like after exercise.
Okay, thank you for the information, Tom.
You're welcome. I hope it's not too bad.
Do you sleep well these days, Tom?
Not really. I wake up a few times at night.
I see. That can happen when your throat hurts.
Yes, sometimes it hurts more at night.
Do you feel any pain in your chest?
No, my chest feels okay. Just my throat and my head.
That's good to know. Chest pain would worry me more.
I understand. I'm glad it's just my throat and head.
Do you feel short of breath at all?
No, I can breathe normally.
Good. That's an important question to ask.
I understand. Thank you for checking carefully.
Let's do a simple check now, okay?
Okay, sure.
Before that, do you have any other symptoms I should know?
I also feel a little cold sometimes, like chills.
I see. Chills can happen with a fever too.
Oh, that explains it. I didn't understand why I felt cold.
That's normal. Your body works hard when you're sick.
That makes sense. Thank you for explaining, doctor.
Of course. Do you take any medicine right now?
No, I don't take any medicine at the moment.
Okay, good to know. Do you have any health problems normally?
No, I am usually very healthy.
That's great. Did you travel anywhere recently?
No, I didn't travel. I stayed at home and at work.
Okay, thank you. That information helps me understand your symptoms.
I'm glad it helps. Now the doctor begins the examination. I feel a little nervous, but I want to know what is wrong.
I will play Dr. Chen. Listen carefully. These are useful sentences when the doctor checks your body. First, I will listen to your heart and your lungs.
Okay, that's fine.
Can you take a deep breath for me?
Sure.
Good. One more time, please.
Okay,
Thank you. Your lungs sound okay.
that's good to hear.
Now, can I check your throat again?
Yes, of course.
I can see some redness. This is common with a sore throat.
I see. What is causing this?
It's probably a small infection. It's not serious.
Oh, that's good to know.
Can you tell me, do you feel dizzy at all?
A little, but not too much.
Okay, that can happen with a fever.
I understand.
Now, let me check your ears too.
Okay, sure.
Your ears look fine. That's good.
I'm glad to hear that.
Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Good. That makes things easier.
Do you know what's wrong with me, doctor?
I think you have a small infection in your throat.
Is it dangerous?
No, it's not dangerous, but you need rest and medicine.
Okay, I understand.
You should also drink a lot of water.
Okay, I will drink more water.
And please, no cold drinks for a few days.
Okay, I can do that.
Let's talk about your medicine now.
Okay, I'm listening.
Can I check your neck too? Sometimes it feels sore with a throat infection.
Yes, sure.
Does it hurt when I press here?
A little, yes.
Okay, that's common. Your glands feel a little swollen.
Is that something to worry about?
No, it's normal when your body fights an infection.
Okay, that's good to know.
Let me also check your blood pressure.
Okay, sure.
Your blood pressure looks normal.
That's good news.
Yes, it is. Your body is working hard, but it's okay.
I feel a little relieved now.
That's understandable. It's normal to worry when you feel sick.
Yes, exactly.
You are doing everything right by coming here today.
Thank you, doctor. That means a lot.
The doctor has finished the examination. Now I will hear the diagnosis and advice. I feel nervous, but also hopeful.
I will play Dr. Chen and the pharmacist.
Listen carefully. These are useful sentences when you get medicine and advice from the doctor. I will give you a prescription for some medicine.
Thank you, doctor. What is a prescription exactly?
A prescription is a paper from the doctor for medicine.
Oh, I understand now. Thank you for explaining.
You can take this prescription to the pharmacy.
Okay, where is the pharmacy?
There is one next to the clinic, on the first floor.
Okay, I can go there after this.
The medicine can help with your fever and your sore throat.
How many times a day should I take it?
You should take it 2 times a day, after meals.
Okay, 2 times a day after meals. I understand.
Please take it for 5 days.
Okay, 5 days. I will remember that.
Also, please rest at home for 2 or 3 days.
Should I stay home from work?
Yes, I think that's a good idea.
Okay, I can call my manager and take a sick day.
That's a good idea. Rest is very important now.
I understand. I will call my manager today.
Drink warm water and tea. That can help your throat.
Okay, I like tea. I can drink that easily.
Also, try to sleep 8 hours every night.
I will try to sleep more this week.
If you don't feel better in 5 days, please come back.
Okay, I will come back if I don't feel better.
Do you have any questions for me, Tom?
Yes, can I exercise these days?
No, please don't exercise until you feel better.
Okay, I understand. No exercise for now.
One more thing, wash your hands often these days.
Okay, I will wash my hands more.
That can help you and other people stay healthy.
That makes sense. Thank you for all the advice.
Should I schedule a follow-up appointment for you?
Yes, that sounds like a good idea.
How about next Monday at the same time?
Yes, 3 o'clock on Monday works for me.
Perfect. The receptionist can schedule that for you.
Okay, thank you. I will talk to her after this.
If you feel worse before Monday, please call us right away.
Okay, I will call if I feel worse.
Good. I don't think that will happen, but it's good to know.
Yes, I feel more prepared now.
You're welcome, Tom. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you, Dr. Chen. I feel better already, just from talking to you. Now I go to the pharmacy with my prescription. Hello, I have a prescription from Dr. Chen.
Hello. Can I see the prescription, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please wait a few minutes.
Okay, I can wait.
Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Good. Do you take any other medicine right now?
No, I don't take any other medicine.
Okay, that's good. This medicine is safe for you then.
That's good to hear.
Do you want the medicine in pill form or liquid form?
Pills are fine for me, thank you.
Okay, I can get that ready for you.
Thank you very much.
Here is your medicine, Tom.
Thank you so much.
Please take it 2 times a day, after meals, for 5 days.
Okay, I remember. Thank you for the reminder.
You're welcome. Also, keep the medicine in a cool, dry place.
Okay, I will keep it in the kitchen.
That should be fine. Not too hot, not too cold.
Okay, I understand.
If you feel any strange symptoms after taking it, call the clinic.
Okay, I will call if that happens.
Good. But most people feel fine with this medicine.
That's good to know. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Do you have any other questions?
No, I think you explained everything very well.
Great. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Take care of yourself.
Today, we learned how to use English at the doctor's office. At first, I felt nervous, but step by step, I learned what to say. Yes, we practiced 5 important topics: making an appointment, checking in, describing symptoms, the examination, getting medicine.
Each topic gave us useful sentences, like, I have a sore throat, or can you explain that, please? These simple questions help you understand everything at the clinic. And remember, emotions are part of real conversations. It's okay to feel nervous, worried, or relieved. Doctors and nurses want to help you, so speaking clearly is the most important thing. Tonight, I will rest, drink tea, and take my medicine. I feel more confident now about doctor visits.
We hope this lesson helps you too. Practice these sentences at home and you will feel ready the next time you visit a doctor.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Take care and keep practicing your English.